I'm not planning on kissing anyone. I got what you're thinking. I like being passenger princess, so we have to be at her house at 6 a.m. Welcome to another vlog. Today's vlog is we are getting ready for a festival. We are going off to a festival tomorrow and you guys are going to come along with me. So this festival is a 4-day festival in Australia. It's called Party in the Paddock. It's meant to be roughly mid-20s while we're there, and one of the days it's meant to rain. Now we've got all of our stuff organized and packed. If you want to see more festival prep, go to my previous vlog to this one. So I've got everything organized into a basket, but I need to pack it into a bag because it's not in a bag yet. I also need to wash my hair, tan. I've done my nails, which you would have seen in the other vlog. So cute. They're like little French tips. They're not focusing. We just went and did some grocery shopping here for the last minute items we need. My mixers upstairs, we've already done the mixers. The alcohol have been put into water bottles, so when my sister gets here, my older sister, we're gonna go pack her car, put everything in there because we are getting up at the crack ass of dawn to make sure we get a good spot at Party in the Paddock. So yes, it's a 4-day festival and I'm so bloody excited. So I'm gonna quickly give you a haul of what I have bought to a festival, like food, because we're not allowed to take gas cookers or any type of cookers. There's no power. Basically they just want you to buy from the food vans because you can't cook anything. So I'm gonna give you a haul of what I've got. So I've got 3 bananas. I have 2 packets of chips. I have mint Oreos. This stuff isn't healthy, but it's got to get you through, okay? Because what else are you gonna do? There's nothing. You can't keep stuff cold or you can't cook anything. Then we've got these little biscuits. They are sour cream and chai. So good. Then I've got hot cross buns. I had these last year and these were a savior. I literally ate these for breakfast, lunch and dinner. And it made me save so much money. Instead of going and buying from the food vans, I just stocked up on this. So I think I only bought dinner maybe once or twice, which was really good for a 4-day festival considering it's so expensive. So yeah, I've got these and I love hot cross buns, so I take that with me. I need butter in here as well. I then also have 2 peaches. I'll have one probably for brekkie in the morning or a snack on the way up there. I don't know, these are pretty like need to be eaten, so I'll have those 2 as well as some fruit snacks. I went pretty crazy on the snacks this year and I'm so excited because I don't normally have snacks or really get snacks because I choose not to have them because I try to be healthy. So I went a little bit crazy. I was like, let's treat yourself, you know? So I got some chips. These are honey soy chips. I'm so excited. My sister had them at camping. They're actually chef's kiss. Then I've got sweet chili chips as well. I'm very excited about. Love those. I then also have croissants. 2 packets of croissants. These are going to help me get through breakfast, lunch and dinner as well because I just kept snacking on all this food during the festival to make sure I'm eating enough and also don't have to spend as much money. So yeah, croissants also amazing. One of the girls I went to the festival last year, she judged me for having plain croissants. And I went, girl, what else am I going to put in it? We don't have anything to cook it with. Deodorant because I ran out of deodorant. I then have M&M Crispies. Oh, love these. These are like, if I'm getting a snack, these are what I'm getting. Natalie knows this. I get them when I go to the movies all the time. Then I've got peanut M&Ms. Also love these. I hope they don't melt though. But I never buy myself chocolate or like chips. And I was like, you know what, let's treat yourself. A pack of gum. I'm not planning on kissing anyone, if that's what you're thinking. And then Tim Tams. A weird tradition that I've sort of started is every time I go camping, Tim Tams are always on the list. And I'm like, this is camping. So I'm like, I feel like I gotta have Tim Tams. And I got them. Yeah. And then that is all the food I bought. I'm currently making red velvet cookies and they've got a cream cheese filling inside of them. They are the brookie cookies if you guys want to see them. I have a video of it on my TikTok. And then I also made truffles last night, which I'm so excited for. And then maybe if we have time, I'll make brownies. But we'll see. Brownies are maybe. Last year I made truffles and everyone raved about my truffles. They're like, they're so good. Oh my god, can I have one? I was like, yeah. So I'm making my, I reckon, gonna be famous cookies because they literally taste so good. And some of the people want to try them anyway. So I'm like, yeah, I'll make them. We need to start packing our bag and getting fully ready because when my sister gets here, we're putting everything in the car. And then I'm having a shower, tanning, washing my hair, all the above. And then in the morning I just have to get up, pack the last minute things, shower. Luckily my older sister is driving because I don't want to drive. I love driving anywhere, but long distances I like being passenger princess, so I'm excited about that. But let's go. Let's start the festival prep for tomorrow. So we're leaving at 6:15 in the morning from the girl's house to travel up. So we have to be at her house at 6 a.m. So this means an early start for us, and I need to allow time for me to have a shower, wash my tan off, and then get pancakes. Because I want to get pancakes. I had them last year and they were so good. So we're going to get pancakes again for this year. So I'm so excited. So I'm getting pancakes from Macca's because that was like a little tradition I started. So I'm going to do that again. So let's go. So now what I've used is these bags I've gotten from online orders. I've put my clothes in and I've organised it by labelling them. So I've done that with every outfit and every possible scenario. I have my cosmetics, my makeup, my mirror, all this stuff is packed. That's my outfit I'm wearing tomorrow, so let's pack it in the bag. Now my bags and everything are packed. The cooking is all cooked. I'm just going to quickly tan now, ready for Peter. Okay, don't mind the state of me. It is currently 12 o'clock and I've just finished tanning and putting all my baking away in the fridge. I'm getting up at 5:15 a.m. and I've got another 4:30 a.m. just to make sure I'm up, you know, because I'm scared that I'm going to sleep in. And then we're leaving by 5:30 because then we're going to Macca's and getting our pancakes. So yeah. Don't mind my tanning PJs, but I will see you 4:15 in the morning. So I'm gonna go have a fat nap.